What is the installation process for James Hardie? Well, all of our contractors have been trained in all of the details and very specific processes that James Hardie requires. We remove the siding, the surface has to be prepared, we have to have a solid sheathing behind it, a tight house wrap using James Hardie house wrap and special sealing tape that James Hardie provides. We have to have studs, and it's nailed properly every 2 feet, and there's a certain pattern for nailing that's closely followed. Our installers are experts, and we can install any type of James Hardie siding, whether you're going to put the 4x8 sheets on there, or as shown here on the lap siding, or you might see the shingle siding behind us. We do it all.